See, this is what?
Liberalism.
This is
Socialism.
Socialism. Marxism.
this is
Marxism. Gandhism.
Fascism.
this is
Fascism.
okay. Now see, it can be three types: positive liberty, negative liberty, and neoliberal. Right? So see, as you guys said that, so negative liberty is also called classical liberty or absolute liberty. Okay, so classical liberty means there is no restriction at all. There is no external interference. There is no regulation at all. Everyone can do their own work. There is no regulation. There is no restriction. There is no state interference. That is called classical liberty. But what about positive liberty? Positive liberty means कि okay, state can interfere for the overall welfare of the people if they feel that actually it is needed. And the third one is neoliberal. Neoliberal, do you know what? It means कि state will not interfere, but that is similar to classical liberty. Then what is the difference? The difference is that state will not interfere in other matter. Means state can interfere in other matter, but state will not interfere in one matter. That is what? Market. Have you got this?
Yes,
It means
studied this, right?
it means कि see, the LPG reform which India has brought na, that is based on neoliberal concept. It means कि state is not interfering in market, but state is interfering in social affair like Sabrimala temple or political affairs, Ayodhya Ram temple and all. But state is not interfering in market affair. Okay, you can do your own business. That is not. So that is called neoliberal. Now socialism means it is just like positive liberal. It means कि state will interfere for the welfare of the people.
So there is a restriction then.
So there is a restriction. Yes. And Marxism is, do you know what? It means socialism is, you know what? Means there will be a government. And you know what is Marxism? Marxism means a kind of means there will be no government. People together will form a head. Like we are 5 to 6 people now. So we will elect a person who will head us. There will be no government. It means
But there would be a restriction.
no restriction. It will be stateless society actually. No state. See, here will be state, here will be state, but here is no state.
So no state without any restriction. No state without any restriction. Restriction
Yeah.
won't be there.
People will enjoy their own life like in village. They do together community, like they make the head and they do the work. Then what about fascism?
Tell me Marxism once.
See, you know what? Socialism is what? That
For welfare of the state.
see,
Positive liberalism.
see, socialism is based on the concept of equality, but liberalism is based on the concept of liberty, means individual liberty. And Marxism is more based on concept of the absolute equality, means one step ahead of the socialism. When you will go one step ahead, now that is called Marxism. Karl Marx has given this theory.
Okay.
Yes, it means absolute equality. Yeah. And third one, fascism. Fascism is, you know what? All the power in one hand only, like Hitler.
Monarchy.
Yes, monarchy you can say, but monarchy and fascism both are different. In monarchy, it is not necessary that the king will exploit the people, but in fascism, the king exploit the people.
Exploit the people.
Yeah,
Taliban.
Fascism is exploit the people, and in monarchy,
it is not necessary that it will
Not
exploit the
necessary.
people.
Just like Taliban.
no
They exploit
Taliban
the
is
people,
authoritarian
dictatorship. Like
dictatorship.
Kim
But fascism
dictatorship.
means exploitation of the people on the purposefully.
They purposefully exploiting.
Like Hitler was, he was exploiting the people purposefully actually. So see, now tell me, liberalism is a political ideology or economic ideology?
What are
Economic.
Liberalism is a political ideology or economic ideology?
liberalism is a political or economical? Economical.
You?
Just because, as you said,
Liberalism, you have read where?
Quality.
Politics. So it is political ideology.
Arey, you yaar.
It happens, Priyal.
No, as you said that it won't be interfere in
happens.
the economy, so that's why it won't be affected the economy.
Now
That's why
see,
I
I
thought
will make
ki
fun of
it is
us.
a economical.
It happens, Priyal. It happens.
You're not understanding my answer, na? Chalo,
See,
theek hai.
there is a capitalism is economic ideology which is similar to liberalism.
So capitalism there, na? Capitalism will be there, so it won't be the economical one.
Capitalism is linked with economical ideology, okay?
हाँ,
But liberalism is just political ideology. Please mind it.
Why
But-
you said that liberalism is just kind of a capitalism one?
Capitalism is linked with
हाँ, it is linked, na? So
हाँ.
that's why I said economical.
no. It is a absolute political ideology actually. Yeah. And see, socialism is both political as well as economic. And Marxism is again political, and fascism is again political. So only one. Socialism is political and economic both, and liberalism is political, and capitalism is economical.
Okay.
Please mind it, guys. So these are some background which I told you.
You said no. What is near to capitalism?
Yeah. So liberalism.
Liberalism is near to
Yeah.
capitalism.
Yeah.
Stop the lecture.
Yeah.